Now currently I'm at a lake right around where I live because it's also important to take breaks sometimes. And I decided that it would be a nice opportunity to record some videos. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what kind of stuff you should carry in your vehicle on yourself and what kind of stuff you should have if you're looking to do rideshare or Uber Eats and DoorDash deliveries. And I hope that this helps you. So if it does, leave me a like, and I'm getting right into this video right now. Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Pasha Krech, and this video is about what kind of things could be helpful for you if you are looking to do rideshare. Now, this video is more about the stuff that you can have, the things that you should carry with you, in my opinion, and the things that could help your vehicle to be more useful and practical for your delivery experience as a driver. Now, before we get into this video, I'm gonna ask you for a quick favor, and it's to subscribe to my channel, because 97% of you are not subscribed, and it seems like some people are enjoying my content. So if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Now, for item number one, it's a piece that includes your cell phone. And I've been delivering for quite some time now, and it's quite common when I come into the pickup location and I'm waiting for an order and I see somebody else walk in to pick up the food and they don't have any sort of case or screen protector on their phone, which to me is a little bit confusing why you wouldn't want to protect your $1,000, $1,500, $100 device, because A, that is the device that brings you money, B, you are going to drop it. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. And three, why not just protect it? It costs you a couple of dollars, but it will make sure that you don't actually break it. I mean, I suppose it's better to state that I can't guarantee that the phone won't break in a case, but if you have a case, you have a higher likelihood of it surviving a drop versus not having a case. And in my opinion, it's worth the investment. It's a part of this business, so you need to treat this as a business and keep your phone protected. Now for number two, it's still a piece that involves your cell phone, and it's a good cell phone mount for your vehicle. When I started, I actually overlooked it and I didn't have a cell phone mount. Had to order one. I went through a couple of them because some of them were bad and some were kept falling out of my vent. And I found this company. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I reached out to them and asked them for a discount code. They politely refused because they're not interested in any sort of promotions, but I'm still going to include them because I do genuinely like their product. And it's the Proclip phone mounts. They make one specifically for the vehicle that you're driving, so you list which vehicle you have, and they make one for your phone, so you just put the information in there and boom, you have a very nice, very secure phone mount. And I think it's an essential need. It's a little bit on the pricey end of things. I think mine was about $80 all in, but it's an amount that's going to last me practically forever or for the duration of the vehicle. Since we're already on the topic of things that you should have for your phone in your vehicle, it would be a good car charger, because Uber app uses so much battery whenever I'm driving. I'm actually losing battery as I'm charging. And if you don't have a charger, you will run out if you're running this full time. So can't stress this enough. Make sure to have a phone charger in your car. Very important, super essential, much need. Now, another piece that sort of involves your phone is to have a decent pair of headphones that you can carry with you, because sometimes you're on the phone, you're inside of a restaurant and you just can't hear. Now, I would suggest the ones that have noise canceling, because if you have noise canceling, you can actually listen to what's happening while there's a whole bunch of noise outside. I have this Airpods Pro. I mean, I have an iPhone, so they work just fine. They are a little pricey, but I think they're worth an investment, and they will help you to have conversations with different customers when you're in the store and you have to call them and ask them some sort of question. So it's just a good item to have on you. And I suppose we should finish the vehicle section with the rubber floor mats, because guess what? When I got my vehicle, I had carpet floor mats, and the same day I got that vehicle, I stepped outside, I stepped into the gum, got back into the vehicle, boom, the carpet ruined. So a good set of really nice quality floor mats that will keep your vehicle in a better condition, because you will be in and out. It's basically your office. Now, while you are going to be delivering for quite some time, you might want to consider taking some sort of lunchbox, maybe even a cooler, because I have a cooler and I'll show you it in the car, which will keep your water bottles, any sort of drinks that you want to have with you, and lunch, and maybe even dinner, depends on how long you're driving. And if you have that, it will save you a whole lot of money on going out, because for half the time that I was delivering, I actually kept eating out, and $20, $30 every day for 2 meals, it wasn't cheap. So realistically speaking, if you're bringing a lunchbox or a cooler, you can save a whole bunch of money, and while you're delivering, trying to make money, might as well save some as well. Now, just like last time, I'd like to interrupt the messages that I'm giving you right now, because again, 97% of you are not subscribed to my channel, and I'd like to get those numbers up. It helps my channel grow, it helps me to share more information with people, and I just like to see the numbers grow. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. Then again, only 97% of you are not subscribed. That's like, you know, pretty much every single one of you. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. And I'll keep posting the content on this channel and try to produce as much helpful information as I can. So thank you for subscribing to my channel, and back to the video now. Since you are going to be touching all kinds of different things, and sometimes things might leak and bags can be dirty, and you never know what's going to happen. You know, you come to the drive-thru and they give you a cup that's covered in whatever the liquid inside the cup. You might want to carry some napkins, some paper towels, maybe some, wet wipes, just so that you can wipe things down and keep yourself and your vehicle clean as well, because you never know what kind of stuff you're going to encounter, and it's better to be prepared than to start looking for things when you're in need. Now, for this next item, it's something that I ran into. I was carrying somebody's food, and it spilled a little bit on me because whoever put it in the bag put it upside down, and it just wasn't great. So I needed to change my pants because it was just all over my leg. Wasn't the greatest experience, but I didn't have anything with me, so I had to shut down my day. So carry an extra set of clothes, including the shoes, because you might step into something and all of a sudden you have a wet shoe. Not the greatest experience. So carry an extra set of clothes, because that will help you just kind of ensure, that will help you ensure that you are not getting your day randomly interrupted by some sort of mishap that could potentially happen. So might as well just be prepared. And as far as being prepared, you also might want to carry an umbrella, because the weather can switch up on you no matter where you are. And if the forecast says it's going to be sunny all day and all of a sudden you end up in a rain, that happened to me, wasn't great. And having an umbrella is kind of a nice thing to have when rain is happening. So you might want, you just want to look at it from the perspective of what would be convenient in all kinds of different situations that are likely, and see what kind of stuff you should carry with you, because you have your whole car with you. You might as well put a couple of things in it that will make your life a whole lot better if some sort of this situation happens to you. And now, I deliver sometimes for 12 hours straight, which means I start, 12 p.m. and end up at midnight. When you are delivering closer to night and delivering to, like, let's say an apartment complex, you will not see majority of the apartment numbers from the outside, so you will have to kind of look for it more closely, because it's just dark. Your eyes are not that well adapted to it while looking at the road with the headlights on and then looking at the apartment number 3 stories up in complete darkness. So bring a really good flashlight. I have a Milwaukee flashlight. Again, I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I like them. It was $80. It's fully rechargeable, and I really genuinely enjoy it. I keep it in my car. It keeps the charge for how I use it for about a week, and I take it out, charge it, an hour and a half, 2 hours, fully charged, ready to go for a whole nother week. So I think that this list concludes pretty much the essentials, in my opinion. I mean, I have tint on the vehicle that would be helpful. If you have ceramic tint on your car, it's gonna keep your car way cooler during the summer. But then again, not everybody needs that. So I'm not gonna put that on this list, but keep that in mind that that could be helpful as well. And with that being said, this video is fully concluded. And if you liked it, please leave me a like, give a comment, and subscribe to my channel for all my future content in regards to business, self-employed, and any sort of side income that you could potentially create for yourself. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.